Here's another amazing use for Blue Magic High Foam Cleaner. Your wheels on your car. So if your alloys have seen better days, they don't call me half a job mark for nothing, you know, because I only ever do half the wheel in the demonstration. Look, it is cleaning the dirt, it's cleaning the grease, it's cleaning the motorway film off your wheel immediately that you spray it on. But have a look, because now, look at this. You are getting a fabulous clean very, very easily. And look, you can see the difference between the two sides. Any foam that's still there just dissipates away. Look at the dirt that's come off that. Amazing. And you can get clean alloys just like that with the amazing Blue Magic foam. Here's a use you may not have thought of for your Blue Magic High Foam Cleaner, the inside of your engine bay. Now look, you can give it a foam spray over and it really does do the job beautifully. And you just give it a wipe down and all of those nasties wipe away and you are left with a beautiful looking engine bay. Now, if your battery terminals are exposed, don't spray it on the battery terminals, obviously. I think that's fairly obvious, that. But look, on the trim, both inside and out, it's absolutely superb. And now, look, you've got a fabulous looking engine bay, just like that.